Do you think your diesel engine is safe? Low sulfur diesel may be killing it slowly. Although low sulfur diesel is better for emissions, it took the lubricity right out of the fuel. Results? Wear on your injectors, your pumps, and your seals. Modern oil technology combats that. At Hubert Glass Oil, we have advanced technology in our heavy-duty motor oils to combat the low sulfur diesel. You want to keep your fleet on the road and keep your operating costs down? Reach out today at glassoil.com and ask for Derek. I'll help you.